Hello students, today we will discuss connectors. Words which are used to join phrases, clauses and words are known as sentence connectors. They are of the following types. First is conjunctions, relative pronouns, relative adverb. Conjunctions like and, but, after, before, while, though. Relative pronouns like who, whom, whose for person and which, that, normally for things. And what? Relative adverb where, when, how, why, etc. Now, connectors. Connectors like if we are using a time related sentence, then there we will use connectors when, while, as long as, since, till, until, as soon as, after, before. Don't go out when it rains. So, don't go out when it rains. When is a connector, it shows time. Don't try to get down while the train is moving. It is a month since I saw you last. I will wait you till and until. Both we can use. So I will wait you. जब तक मैं wait करूँगा, you will come back. जब तक तुम नहीं आते मैं वेट करूँगा. सो आई विल, मैं जब तक वेट करूँगा टिल वे कम. जब तक मैं वेट जब तक तुम नहीं आते मैं वेट करूँगा, देन यू कैन यूज until. So in both of the situation you can use till and until. He had left the office before she came. So here before is a connector. Look before you leap. It is a proverb. So look before you leap. She reaped as she sang. As soon as the sun rose, the fog disappeared. So these all are the connectors, and these are all are time related connector. Now the second thing is place. Second, about idea related phrase, and here idea related connectors, and here we will use where. I don't know where Sudha lives. Next is addition. If you want to add something, or if you want to add two sentences, two clauses, then you will use these connectors, and as well as, also, besides, not only, but also, and both. So Ram and Sham are brothers. He is not only rich but also generous. She, as well as her brother, knows you. Now next is about contrast. If there are two contrasting situation, two opposite situations, so you want to join them, then you will use these connectors: but, still, yet, while, however. She is intelligent but lazy. Ornaments are expensive, yet people buy them. He is old, still he is active. So दो contrasting situation है, बिल्कुल opposite situation है. Lazy but intelligent, expensive but then also people buy it, and he is old, still he is active. So दो contrasting situations है, उनको join करने के लिए हम connectors but, still, yet, while, however we use. Next is purpose. For purpose we use connectors: so that, therefore. We eat that we may live. So we eat so that we may live. He took my help so that he could complete his work in time. Now next is comparison. As and so as and then. So she is as pretty as her brother. She is prettier than her sister. So in this way, for the comparison, we can use these connectors. Now next is about cause and result. As, for, since, because, so, hence, therefore. We can use these connectors. He was absent as he was ill. He worked hard, so he succeeded. Now next is alternative: either or, neither nor, or. Either he is he or his brother stole my pen. She can neither read she can neither read nor write. she doesn't smoke or drink. So in this way we can use these connector to show comparison or as an alternative, either this or that. So we can use for alternative these type of connectors. Next is condition. If, unless. If it rains, we will not go out. So condition is if. Then unless they work hard, जब तक नहीं work hard करेंगे, they can't hope to pass. So here unless is again the condition for condition. So next is, and the last is concession or contrast. Though and although we will use, though he is rich, yet he lives like a poor man. Although he had no money, he had high dreams. So again contrasting situation. In both of the situation we can use though, yet, and although. Although here, then if we are using although, then we put comma, then there is no need of using yet. But we can also use with all those, with the although connector we can also use yet, and there no need to join it with comma. So these all are the connectors that we have done according to situations. Like here for time related connectors, place related connectors, addition, if you want to join two sentences, contrast related, purpose related, comparison, cause and result, alternative, condition, and concession or contrast. Now I will give you some work which you are to do